By request, have you ever seen the rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival? Chords only. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. This is part one, and this is chords only. I'll do another one for the melody. So we're going to start with the chords. Your chords are A minor, F chord, C chord, G chord, A minor 7. You add a G, then a C chord, and you add a B. That's when we're doing the walk. Start your intro on A minor, and then you got your little walk with the F. And then go into the melody. Would repeat, then you've got your chorus into the chorus. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain on a sunny day? And it just repeats. This is a short video. Like I said, I'll do a part 2 and include more of the melody. Hope you enjoyed this. And keep the music coming. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.